Hi guys, this is 2007 Mazda cx7. So this one had the problem is some code is logging the P0012 code. So that's intake a camshaft position timing over retarded bank 1. So in this case I replace for the new timing chain and the adjuster and the new VVTI actuator. In here you can see this is all brand new timing chain and the actuators. So but the code is still logging, still showing P0012. Then I replace for the VVTI actuator, and I got the this one also, the Rekas one, but still logging in the code. So and this one is timing is perfect, and the VVTI actuator is the new good one I already tested. And I checked this oil pressure, this engine, there was in 50 psi. Normally getting oil pressure this car between to 43 psi to 90 psi. That's normal. So this one already getting 50 psi. It's not bad. Oil pressure is all good. So then I found the problem in these modules, in some leaking in here is the oil in this cam journal. So when we start the car, the oil pressure come through in here to the actuator, activate and deactivating. In oil is leaking in journal in here. So then have a look at that one. So that you see that one is oil is the leaking, the lot of oil is leaking in here. So that's been happening when we activate the actuator. So not enough oil pressure going to the VVTI gear, so they can't advance or retard. So I already replaced this the cam cap with the new one, and the coming also some filter in here. But still same the problem, they're getting one the filter this goes luck in here for the this way. This one is not bad, it's not clogged or nothing, you can see. So it's still not the fix the problem, but we have to replace this the cam, the intake cam, because this journal is now is wearing. So we have to replace the complete this the camshaft. Otherwise we can't fix that P0012 code. It can't go. So I'm going to off this the cam cap. Just off sensor. This is the one I already replaced. So this edge of the camshaft, this area is wearing, so that's why the lot of oil coming out. So in this case you can see clearly in the slight marks in the cam lobe. Okay, you can see in here the slight marks. You can get the better picture. So this edge, the badly wearing. So with the what happening when the VVTI come oil in here, this port, so come through the actuator in here, come through in here. This all the advance and retarded going to the actuator, you know, the phaser gear of the VVTI. So the oil is releasing that side, so not enough oil going through the cam, the VVTI. So that's why in the P0012 code is slogging. So they have to replace this the whole camshaft. So from there to there we can fix the problem. Otherwise you can't fix the problem until this replace this camshaft.